this is the seller's market now because price is broken. It's underneath the 50 on the 1 hour. Go to the 4 hour chart, and price is under it on the 4 hour chart as well. So from here, if price break this golden zone, then you can sell that down to the 786, to this red line area, which is basically this structure right here. So this is nothing that's going to be too crazy, because all the big moves happen. So price is going to be kind of back and forth again. But I'm telling you, you got to know when to go from swing trading back to day trading, scalping.
Like a pro, yeah, I'm trading like a pro, like a pro, making profit like a pro, time to let them know, bank on the phone, no I don't need a loan, cause I'm trading like a pro. We getting paid, huh, stacking that money from the trades, huh, we getting paid, huh, stacking that money, I'ma teach you how to trade like a pro.
What's up, y'all? This your boy Jay Wayne, representing Team Take Profits.
That GU trade that you've been talking about for 2 weeks straight was hitting.
Bro, absolutely incredible, man. I've been lacing them up. I've been telling them, showing them to play, and it's been playing out perfectly. I'm going to continue to ride it out for the rest of this month, too. And we're going to look at some more pairs. But we got to talk about this GU right quick because it's about to make another move. And I need you guys in on it, all right? Let's go to the charts. All right, team. Here we are on the charts. And I told you, do not miss this opportunity, all right? And this happened a little bit more than what I thought was going to happen. But nevertheless, it did it. And it did it, like, beyond what I was thinking, which is a good thing. So you saw in the clip, I'm in my car driving, by the way. I gotta take my son somewhere, but we grinding anyway. We not missing no opportunities, no updates. All right, so price was here. It came down here to this golden zone, and this is where I told you, hey, if price breaks through it, all right, we can sell it to the 786. It went past the 786. All right, so it went, how many pips is that? 48 pips. What a beautiful day. And it went 48 pips in like 2-3 hours. 48 pips in 3 hours. That's not bad, y'all. Let me open this up a little bit. Here we go. And you got the retest. Why did the retest happen right in this golden zone? I'm telling you guys, this is it. The golden zone, the Fibonacci is the blueprint of the market. I'm telling you. So you guys hear me say that, but you don't understand it yet. But soon you will understand it. All right. Here's the retest for all my retest traders, the breakout traders 8, the retest traders 8. Right here, you're going to go ahead and get you an entry somewhere up in here. And it's all underneath the 50, so you're trading with the trend. When you're trading with the trend, it goes easy. It's smooth. When you're trading against the trend, so for an example, you see this exhausted up here. All right, let me move the chart over. You see this exhausted, right? It's starting to wick out at the top, and you want to start selling. Well, guess what? You're trading against the trend because it's in a buyer's market. These sales are not going to come easy. This one did pretty good, but I'm telling you, that's not going to be the case most of the time. Sorry if it's like real rattly out here. But these sales are not going to come easy. It's going to be a fight because you're trading against the trend. But if you can start selling underneath the 50, which is telling you you're trading with the trend, then now the trades are going to come more smoother. All right, so and then we got to talk more about that too, because it's you can't just be on one time frame thinking like that. You got to look at a couple different time frames and put that puzzle together to determine what's the best, what is the best way to trade for those 3 time frames. Like, what is the overall trend going to be? So I got to make a video on that soon. But price stops here. This is what I be talking about. Like, people be saying price action, technical analysis don't work. Like, that it's just maybe don't work for you, or it's maybe just something that you don't like. You know what I mean? But I think that you might need to hold off talking about it doesn't work, because you can clearly see this happens over and over. Price coming back down to the same point, which is a demand zone right here. This is a demand zone, and price comes back there and stalls. All right, it's a certain way that I trade that. It's a certain way that I operate and move around that. But I knew that was coming. I knew that when price came down to this level, that was a money level. All right. So also, Look at this now. We're breaking above the 50, but I want to show you this. We have finally got divergence coming. So now we know that's a slow up in the market. You can see that. So we got some nice divergence happening right there. And so in that situation, all you do is just pull up that trend line and wait for that to break, and you could have caught that. Now in this situation, I'm not going to be taking this crazy. Like, I'm not going to be going crazy with this breakout, because we would be trading against the trend. So all of these patterns, all of this stuff, you can't be going crazy with them, because sometimes you get caught trading against the trend still. Yes, the divergence look good, right? Yes, the divergence look good. Yes, the trend line looks good, but it's underneath the 50. Is, you know what I mean? Like, we're kind of trading against the trend on this time frame. If I was to take this, I would be on a 15-minute chart taking a breakout entry and scalping. All right, I wouldn't be looking for no crazy amounts of pips. I'll be scalping. This is a scalping opportunity, because everything looks good. Just the only thing is off is I'm trading against the trend. So I will scalp it, or I won't trade it at all. All right, because of that. But I play that case by case. Now here we go. Now we're back to that 50. This is the same 50 we broke out of, same 50 that retested, and now it's back here 2 times again, holding at the 50. Not the 50, but you know, the golden zone, the 5618 level. Now we're holding at the golden zone. Right? It's a beautiful thing. All right, a lot of money to be made here. You can see in the past, technical analysis, price action. Price is holding at this level. It works. Just got to know how to trade it. All right. So here we are now. So what do we do now, team? I'm gonna lace you up again. All right. Eventually you're gonna get tired of missing all these trades, and you're gonna lock in and pay attention. But right now, I know some of y'all on the fence looking at what I'm doing, but it keep working week after week after week. That's why I keep making these videos, because it keep working. This is what I do. I was doing this before I started making these videos. Now I just want to help you and help you understand it at a different level. And we're gonna keep diving deeper. So let's delete this fib. Let's delete this golden zone for now, just for today, so we can make this video and have it clear on the chart, because I'm gonna put it right back, because that's a money level. All right, so here we go. Now we got this golden zone breaking through. All right, so we got that one. We want to drag that back, and we see that that's that structure right there. Boom, price holding there. That's a beautiful thing. All right, now you have to ask yourself, well, right now it's too late, so you have to ask yourself. So look at this. Same thing happened last time. This will be the third touch, but look, price came down here and stalled out. It did one more touch and stalled out. So the next time when price gets to this level here, this demand zone, it's a little pocket of demand zone, but it's getting weaker, because this is the second touch. The first one was back here. That was the first one. Orders were still there. Orders were not picked up. Orders were still sitting in there. And then they got filled here. And it left. And then they came back and more got filled. So now what do you think price is going to do when it get here? Well, I don't know. But I know that based on this situation, what I just told you, it's going to be weaker. So I'm not going to be just saying, hey, I'm going to buy as soon as it get to this level. No, I'm not going to do that. All right, I'm gonna say, hey, that's a money area, and I'm gonna wait to see if I need to buy or sell based on it, what I see price action doing. All right, so right now there's nothing to do. What I want you to understand is not every time it's gonna be something to do. Not every time you open the charts up, hey, there's a trade opportunity. All right, sometimes you have to understand, I have to wait for it to get to a certain level. And as a pro trader, remember, this series is to teach you how to trade like a pro. Sometimes pro traders know when to back off until price get to a certain level. That's what the banks do. They'll wait for weeks until price get to a certain discounted price. That's what they do. They bought that life. You know what I mean? We have to be about that life. And I'm going to teach you how to trade like a pro. All right? So my area of interest will be somewhere up in this area right here. All right? Because for one, look how many candles is dropping. You think it's going to drop some more. No, when I was like first starting out, I would see all of these red candles, and I would say, hey man, I'm about to sell this. I would need to see it already had dropped for me to sell, or already had pushed up bullish candles for me to buy. And that was a rookie move, because pretty much is at the end of it when you notice it. A pro trader knows how to get it up here. All right, they have methods and systems and understandings and to get it up there. This is for all my people at the last second that want to, try to, get some meat off the bone, but you're going to get your feelings hurt. All right. So what I would love is this. Price to go ahead and do what it's going to do. Maybe come down here to this point. For me, that's a no trade zone. I'm not going to touch it. But I would love to see it come up here and get above the golden zone, get above that 50, and then we can go on and buy that up. Right? I would love to see that. So that's one opportunity I'm waiting right there. All right. So again, sorry for all this rattling, because your boy grinding out here. My son just driving, and I see an opportunity that's coming, and I want to prepare you guys early enough. All right. So I would love to see it come back and break through here, and we can go and catch it up to this level, up to the support level. Once it break that golden zone, now it's gonna be back and forth, right? It ain't gonna just be smooth like that, but it's gonna be okay. Boom, play around. I don't know, something like that. Boom, boom. Now finally we break above, catch a little retest, and ride it on up. All right. So I would definitely like that. But what if it doesn't? What if it don't? Well, then I would look for something like this. Okay, price comes down, price stops, it messes around, it consolidates for the end of the day, and then we can catch a good opportunity back down here. But I would need to see it kind of messing around in here a little bit more. Right now it looked like it may do it, because you see like it's stalling out, so it may just come back up in here and just be playing around a little bit, back and forth. But then as soon as London time comes around 12 a.m. to 5 a.m. tomorrow, I'll be ready, and then catch it. If it's going to do this, break out, boom, catch it down to the downside. Now, it's going to be based on how you trade, if you're going to be a retest or breakout trader, but that's up to you, and that's what we're waiting for. But I would love to see price come on all the way down here, because this is where the big move will happen. When you want that 100 pip move, that's this area right down here is that demand zone. All right, this is where the 100 pip move is going to come from. Another like 70 to 100 pips. But until then, we got to just transition back to day trading and scalping. All right, so hope this video laced you up. Matter of fact, I know it did. And thank you guys for all the love and support. I'm going to keep cranking out these videos. Let me know if you like these quick ones, because, if when I do my, when I put all my effort into it and editing and all of this stuff, it's good, because I really love my craft and I put the time into my craft, but like it takes longer to get the videos out, and you may miss these opportunities. So sometimes I want to make these quick ones and put them out there for you guys, so you know what I mean, you can be ready, and it's a good change of pace, change of speed. So all right, hey guys, please, if you just found my video, please subscribe. I'm gonna continue to lacing you up. This is my gift. I'm teaching you my gift. I'm not just teaching you something that I learned on the side. I'm teaching you my gift. And it's a different level to this. There's levels to this, and I just tapped into what God wanted me to do, thank God. So I love to give it to you, all right? So please, don't forget to like this video, comment, let me know if you're going to catch this, let me know if you're on it, and subscribe. And let's make this money, baby. Peace.